Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your image format and canvas size so the text will fit precisely. Open Design Space, insert the SVG or PNG, and lock the image proportion if needed. Next, add a text layer and pick a font that matches your design intent. You do this because system fonts can behave differently in machine cutting. Once done, position the text over the image roughly where you want it, and set the font size to about 1/4 of the image height as a baseline. You now refine placement and prepare for cutting or print then cut. Use align tools to center or edge align text relative to the image. This ensures consistent spacing. Resize the text numerically if you need a precise 0, 5-inch gap or a specific percentage of the canvas. If cutting, weld overlapping letters to make a single path. If print then cut, attach text to the image so they stay together. Make sure to preview the cut lines and check for tiny gaps that need smooth. You finish by choosing the correct finish action. Flatten the design for print then cut so it becomes one printable layer, or ungroup and detach for separate cutting pieces. Then preview at 1 scale and run a small test cut to verify alignment and glue or weeding behavior. If the text looks off after cutting, check for hidden layers, overlapping paths that weren't welded, or fonts that didn't convert to outlines. Resave as SVG with curves and retry. That single step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.